What's going on, everyone? My name is Cătălin and I know you want to be successful. I'm here today to tell you that it is possible regardless of the situation you are right now. Today I'm going to tell you a couple of tips that are going to change your life if you start to apply them today. So let's get started with tip number 1, which is wake up earlier in the morning. Most of us don't have the freedom to build their routine throughout the day the way they want to structure it, because we are forced to go to work, school, you name it. We all know these day in the life videos and videos about advice how to be more productive and what to do in your morning routine, afternoon routine, night routine, you name it. But let's be honest, 90% of us are stuck from 9 to 5 jobs and from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. at school. And when you're coming home after such a day, you're not so energized to do anything at all. You are lacking of motivation and the chances that you're gonna do anything productive are very low. So, what I'm trying to tell you by that is, try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night minimum. I know you prefer watching Netflix until 3 a.m, cut it out. Because otherwise you're gonna be as the other people I see them around through the city in the morning, like, have you seen The Walking Dead? Walking corpses. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. I personally am not a morning person, it has been difficult for me, but this is the tip. Try to wake up between 5 and 5:30 in the morning. When you wake up during that time, most of the people are asleep. So that's the time when you can invest to do something for you. That's the selfish time, let's call it like that. You have time to work out, study, you name it. What you prefer to do, but it's a productive time. Use it wisely. Tip number 2, which is have written goals on a paper or a notebook. And what I mean by that is take a piece of paper, whatever you want, and write 10 goals you want to achieve until the end of 2020. Write them down and write them as you would have already achieved them. For example, I have 100,000 subscribers. I own 3 successful companies. I made up my way through YouTube from scratch. I make 5,000 euros a month. You name it. Whatever your goals are, write them down and write them as you would have already achieved them. When you're doing that, your brain is working on how to achieve those goals. And the best part about it, trust me, at the end of the year, you open the notebook, the paper, you look down, and I'm guaranteeing you, 8 out of 10 are achieved and completed, and you're gonna be very proud of yourself for what you have accomplished. I could get millions of euro from the time I've heard every time a guy or a girl, I was asking them, so what are your dreams, what are your goals? And they were like, I don't know, I'm just doing what I think is right. I don't have any goals actually. I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what to achieve. Yeah, when you don't know what you want to achieve, you are going up and down and you don't know where you are going. You don't know which road you are following. You're not gonna end where you want to be. Trust me, writing down goals will change your life. It has changed mine so far. I've been doing this since 2 years, writing my goals down since I read it in the book. I totally recommend you 100 Rules of Success by Brian Tracy. I totally recommend that book. It has changed my life and it can change yours too. Definitely check that out. And let me tell you, I think it's just sad and you don't even realize how many people don't even have goals, and we don't even need to talk about having them written down. Tip number 3, which is take care of your body. If you're out of shape, if you're overweight, if you're just feeling that you're fat or you're not pleased by your body, you're not happy in your body, you're not gonna be able to focus, your confidence will be 0, and you're not gonna be going to enjoy your life because you're focused all the time, like looking in the mirror, oh my god, look how bad I am, look how ugly I am, I'm not pleased by myself. And if you're not happy with yourself, you are going to get in depressions, you're going to get in anxieties, antisocial, and those are stuff that we don't want to happen right here. We want to be wolves, we want to be alphas, we want to be successful people. First thing you want to do is look at your physique right now, at your current situation, and decide why I'm not happy about it. Is it my skin? Okay, then develop a skincare routine, which by the way I'm going to give information about that in a future video soon. Or, okay, I'm out of shape, I want to get in the best shape of my life as much as possible, as soon as possible. Okay, I'm gonna start a diet, I'm gonna change my lifestyle, I'm gonna start working out. Again, by the way, a video about working out, diet tips, also coming on the channel very soon, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with my newest videos. The benefits of changing your physique is that it's going to boost your confidence up like hell. You're going to have fitted clothes, the clothes will fit you much better, and you're gonna walk with confidence and pride all around, and everyone is gonna see, look, that guy or girl is just happy with himself, I want to be like him, look how happy he is. And trust me, you're gonna get more respect from others when you're going to be with much more positive and confidence around. And you're just gonna be more able to focus and enjoy other aspects of your life and focus on other directions and other niches of your life, let's say like that. Tip number 4, which is change your mindset. I think, in my opinion, this is the most important part in the road to success. It's about changing what you have in here to change what you have around you, because the number one key to success is about how the way you're thinking. You know, the principle is simple. What you think is what you attract. What you think about yourself is what you become. What you think you deserve, that's what you're going to get. If you're thinking about yourself, I'm trash, I'm ugly, I'm not able to do that, I can't achieve that, and let yourself to get all these negative thoughts from other people in your head, like you can't do this, you can't do that, it's impossible, it has never been done before. If you let all this negative stuff around you, you're gonna end up not achieving anything and being sad all the time, depressive, and literally not going anywhere. But when you're starting to think, okay, I can do this, I can do that, I believe in myself, I'm the best, and I will do my best, and I will achieve that, and I'm gonna prove them wrong. And first of all, I'm gonna prove myself that I'm the best. When you're thinking about yourself the positive way, the winner way, like a champion, the stuff that are good are gonna come in your life. Expect only for the best. Don't let yourself, like others, get into these anxieties that some other people have brought in their lives. Like, yeah, you know, you're fat, and no. For example, that was a very common example. A lot of girls are getting a lack of confidence. They lack the confidence because they get themselves discouraged by the Instagram of models that they're looking at, and they want to be like them. And there's something bad that you want to copy an Instagram model or any reality show stars, or I don't know, you name them. The problem is they compare themselves to those persons and they want to copy them entirely. Instead of that, you should focus on their person and try to become the best version of themselves, instead of trying to copy the whole personality of that person. You are not cloning them. You should just inspire yourself. If you think that's the right person you should inspire, okay, then she should be your role model, but don't copy him exactly. What I'm telling you is, don't copy them. Okay, if you want them to be your role models, that's great, amazing, but don't try to clone them. Be yourself. Try to develop your way, not copying them entirely. I think that's one of the biggest problems, that we are comparing each other with other people and are trying to get that level, you know? Yeah, I mean, we can achieve our best physique, we can achieve our best success, but if you are going to still compare yourself to that star and that actor, and you're not gonna look exactly like him, you're still gonna be unhappy. No, just try to be the best version of yourself. That's it. And the 5th tip, and the last one, is take action. You could read all the books in the world, know all the tips, but if you don't wake up from that bed, that couch where you're sitting right now, eating chips, and just watching my video and other motivational videos around, you're not gonna achieve anything. Get up and start implementing the tips I gave you today. starting today, you can change your life, and I believe in you. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to keep up with videos like this, and a lot of advice about life, success, business, grooming, fitness. Make sure you share this video so others can also see it and change their lives. And thank you for watching, and see you to the next video. And remember, the most important thing, you are amazing.